Menteri Rangba ke Jela Konrad ke Sang Maha ke Arpusan Trik Leber ulapan pau baya ke Raiban Pynlong ya ke election Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC kabala penjelan hadien ke jingmi jong ke jingiakren persya ya ke shim mental jong ki bomday riulum ha ke election onsa shim hadien ke jingiakren nongialam ke council. Kini kejimpan pau ke jong kalawan long shis ngi hadien baulat ke Jela UCH Vijay Shankar ula ai ke jing menjur ya ke amendment jong ke AD rule ke GHADC kabala penlong kongsan ya baro ki kertong bakindon ya ke Sernot Schedule Tribe ST banyo ya khon ya ke election. Habakren Syllad pathai kubor Konrad ulaong ngin saya pet kumno kayait namar kani kamde ke kam jong ke sorkar Jela ngakwa ban syai bha halor kani. Kum Menteri Rangba ngikwa ban penilenti bat ban ay ya kinu ki jingmut na kaliang ke jongi Henry ha kabakhat du hi ke di ke council ka ban hap shim ya karai ulapan kesan ya ke jinglong light lu jong ka council da ka boong ka district council ka di ka bor ka basin syarhi ne autonomous body kum tangin saya pej bat ngin up ya kirai beper ki ban shim da ka council ngidon ha ka jinga de ka bajan bat nongialam jong ka council UCM bat ka isi betmai bat halor kani ke jingiakren ngin sapet kumno ngin jam syakmat ka raiban penkela ya ke AD rule seru kalawan ja hadien baga sorkar Jela kala raiban penjelan ya ka samoy trikam jong ka GHADC dan riu benai hadien ke jingmi jong ka jingiakren ban persya ya ke jingishim menta jong ki bomday riulum ha ke election jong ka council kabalapan bena ha ka beningkong ban penlong ha ka shipho tarik ya yong.
We will see how it goes because again it's not the state government. Please, I want to be very clear about things. Yes, as Chief Minister, we are there to always guide and always, give whatever thoughts from our side. But ultimately, the district council has to take a call. So it's a district council, it's an autonomous body. So hence, we will see and we will wait for the different decisions being made by the council. But we are in close touch with the leaders of the district council, the new CEM and the new EC. And based on discussion, we will see how to move forward. Again, I have been very clear that the law has to take its course. In that process, the police will always move on evidence and move as per the law. I am not in a position to really comment on that particular aspect. It is purely a police work. And it's not that I sit with them and go through the files in the investigation. It's a completely independent process. And so the concerned SP or the concerned DIG or the IG will be in a better position. You can always ask them about this detail. The Honorable Leader of Opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, had spoken to me and written to me a few days back. The kind of incident that happened and the kind of situation that unfolded does require some kind of investigation to take place as to what led to the circumstances and who were involved in especially the section where violence took place and public property was damaged, private property was damaged. So those aspects do need to be looked into detail, but how and what kind of inquiry we are yet to examine because we of course all been busy with this particular situation. So in the days to come we will take a call.